to mouth of Powlett for a quick one-nighter. We'll bring you along with us. It's a beautiful spot. We've been there a couple of times. I think it's one of the best places where you can camp on the beach, near the water, near a beautiful river, and you can bring your dog. So come along with us. This is the inlet, mouth of Powlett. This leads right out to the sea, which we're going to show you guys soon. And absolute ripper freaking day for it. Like, we couldn't have got a better day. And you know what? Nobody else around, so we're laughing. Hey guys, gonna get much better than this. What a spot. Absolutely beautiful. We're sitting at about 31 degrees today. Sunny Melbourne weather, right? Always the way. And mate, this beach is awesome. Yeah, if you're wondering what that is, we forgot all these toys at home. So we stopped at the op shop and bought him a microwave lid, you know? Because that's just what you do when you love your dog. Someone wants to come and hang out in the water. Let's show him what it's all about. Come on, Zen. Good on you, mate. Come on. Don't fight it, buddy. You ready, Zen? Go, Zen. Good boy! Hey Zen, I think it's here, mate. Where is it? Here. Oh wait, Zen, you missed the spot.